Welcome to the world of SketchUp, a powerful yet intuitive 3D modeling software that has revolutionized design across industries, from architecture and interior design to game development and engineering. SketchUp is the go-to tool for professionals and hobbies alike. SketchUp stands out for its simplicity and versatility. Its intuitive interface allows you to start creating right away, making it easy to bring your ideas to life. Whether you are sketching floor plans, designing furniture, or crafting detailed 3D models, SketchUp provides the flexibility you need. SketchUp is packed with powerful features, with precise modeling tools, a vast library of components, and seamless integration with various plugins and extensions. The possibilities are virtually limitless. Professionals love SketchUp for its ability to handle complex projects and its integration with industry standard software. And with the 3D warehouse, you have access to millions of pre-made models to streamline your workflow. So whether you are a seasoned designer or just starting out, SketchUp empowers you to create, innovate, and share your vision with the world. SketchUp is more than just a 3D modeling tool. It's a game changer across multiple industries. Architects use it to visualize buildings, creating detailed designs that can be easily shared with clients and contractors. Interior designers rely on SketchUp to experiment with layouts and decorations, bringing spaces to life before a single piece of furniture is moved. In construction, SketchUp aids in planning and coordination, helping teams avoid costly errors and improving efficiency on site. Urban planners use it to model entire cityscapes, ensuring sustainable and well-organized development. And in product design, it's perfect for prototyping and refining ideas, from consumer goods to industrial equipment. So, from conceptual sketches to final presentations, SketchUp's impact is undeniable, making it an indispensable tool in today's creative and technical fields. Discover how SketchUp can transform your workflow and bring your ideas to life, no matter your industry. Stay with me as I dive deeper into SketchUp's features and techniques. Let's get started. Getting started with SketchUp is easy. First, head to SketchUp.com and click on download. You'll find options for different versions, including SketchUp Free for beginners and SketchUp Pro for advanced features. Choose the version that suits your needs. If you are unsure, the 30-day free trial of SketchUp Pro is a great way to explore its full capabilities. Once you've downloaded the installer, open the file and follow the on-screen instruction. It's a quick and straightforward process. For Mac users, open the downloaded .dmg file. Drag the SketchUp icon into your applications folder. It's that easy. After installation, launch SketchUp and log in with your Trimble ID. If you don't have one, creating an account is fast. Congratulations, you are now ready to start exploring SketchUp. Let's dive into your first step with SketchUp. See you in the next class. Welcome to SketchUp. Let's take a quick tour of the interface. The first thing you'll notice is the simple, clean workspace designed to keep you focused on your model. At the top, you'll find the toolbar. Here are all your essential tools: the pencil for drawing, the push and pull tool for extruding shapes, and the Orbit tool for navigating your model. On the right, the default tray houses vital panels like Entity Info, Component, Materials, and others. You can customize this tray to fit your workflow. At the bottom, the status bar provides helpful tips and shows dimensions as you draw, ensuring precision in your designs. With its intuitive layout, SketchUp's interface is designed to be user-friendly for both beginners, intermediate, or seasoned professionals. Stay tuned as I guide you through each feature in detail, helping you master the SketchUp interface. Welcome back. Let's learn how to navigate the SketchUp's interface. Your workspace is where the magic happens, and mastering navigation is key. To adjust your view, go to the camera menu. Here, you can switch between the standard views, parallel projection, perspective, and two-point perspective. Use zoom extent to fit your model perfectly within the screen. At the top, you'll find the toolbar. This is your main toolkit, featuring essentials like the line tools for drawing, the push-pull tool for extruding, the eraser for removing elements and others. Use the Orbit tool to rotate around your model, the pan tool to move sideways and to drag your viewport up or down, and the zoom tool to get closer or further away. These tools ensure you have full control over your viewport. On the right, the default tray houses important panels like Materials, Components, and Layers. Customize this tray to access your most used tools quickly. Create scene tabs to save different views of your model. This is perfect for presentations and keeping track of complex projects. With these navigation tips, you'll move through your SketchUp projects effortlessly, ensuring a smooth and efficient workflow. Let's continue exploring the tools to bring your designs to life. The Getting Started toolbar is a default bar that houses the basic tools you need to start using SketchUp, and most of its tools will be frequently used even as we move from beginner to advanced level. Let's start with the search tool. The search tool enables you to search any tools and functions quickly on SketchUp. Then we move to the selection tools. The selection tools are used for selecting entities by clicking or highlighting them. There are two types of selection tools, the box and the lasso selection tools. For the both tools, selection is possible by clicking and dragging diagonally towards either the right or the left. Towards the right only selects entities that are completely within the selection space, while highlighting towards the left direction selects entities touched by the selection lines. The box and the lasso selection tools work similarly, except that lasso uses the freehand selection while the box uses a box shape to select entities. Just so you know, like every other design software, with the simple undo and redo command, you can reverse or redo a most recent action. For example, if you draw a line and then undo it, the line will disappear. If you try to copy a piece of complex geometry and accidentally stretch it instead, undo can put things back the way they were, while redo does the direct opposite. The undo and redo command are available under the edit menu. You will see the word undo and redo with a description of the last action you performed. The default keyboard shortcut for undo is Ctrl Z on Windows or Command Z on Mac OS, while for redo is Ctrl Y on Windows or Command Y on Mac OS. Let us move now to the drawing tools section on the Getting Started toolbar, starting with the eraser tool. This video is a part of a complete SketchUp training series, so make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next episode. See you in the next class.